So we're tracking calories now. We have a calorie goal for each meal. Let's talk about real quick intermittent fasting. It doesn't make you lose body fat. You're not going to lose body fat because you eat within an 8-hour window. You eat one meal a day. The reason people are getting results and your friends are getting amazing results doing intermittent fasting is because they're eating less calories. And that's why so many people plateau after 3 to 4 months of doing intermittent fasting. Maybe you've done it and you notice yourself from doing that because of the intermittent fasting. It's because you ate less calories than what you have been doing. But as you guys have learned with this free step-by-step plan, that under eating is the number one reason why people are not getting results. So it's so important to be taking in the right amount of calories and feeding your body the nutrients that it needs. But there are, yes, a ton of benefits of intermittent fasting, but it's not losing body fat. One, rejuvenation of cells, a tapestry, I can never say the freaking word right, but rejuvenation of cells, getting rid of the bad cells. There's been so many studies now that have been showing amazing results with doing intermittent fasting. Rejuvenation of cells, hormone function. It is crazy what happens to the body with hormone function with doing intermittent fasting. And one hormone, insulin, with carbs and sugars, if we're not eating, we don't have insulin present in the body because we're not raising our blood sugars. But when we're eating real food, meat, and veggies, we're absolutely golden, so we don't even have to stress out about that. So intermittent fasting, how you do it? You pick an 8-hour window every single day, hit your calories. I do intermittent fasting. I do one 24-hour fast every single Sunday. So if I have my last meal Saturday at like 8, 9, 7, then Sunday I will fast all day until that same time. So to get that benefit of the fasting, of the rejuvenation of cells, hormone function, and everything like that. I don't do it for weight loss. I do it for the internal of the body. I actually, quick tip, definitely do the steam room every Sunday for 15, 20 minutes. There's a plethora of benefits of doing the steam room too. So if you have a gym that has a sauna, but a wet sauna, not the hot one, there's benefits to both. I love doing the wet one. I feel amazing doing it. Drips, sweat like crazy. But that's with intermittent fasting. If you want to, go for it. But it is more important to take in the right amount of calories than it is to do intermittent fasting. So now with your workouts, we got intermittent fasting out. So with the workout programs, so we do have the 2 free workout programs that you can get here. And then when you upgrade and actually get into the full community and you're doing the one-on-one coaching, that's when you're going to get all of the new updated workout programs that are continuously new updates, new workouts and stuff like that. So you don't get bored with what you're doing. But your workout program, just like intermittent fasting, it doesn't make you lose body fat. There's just a ton of benefits to working out, hormone function, building lean muscle mass, bone density, cardiovascular, just a plethora of amazing benefits of working out. You still have to take in the right amount of calories. You're working out right now and you're not losing body fat. It's because of the nutrition. It's not the workouts. So get an amazing workout. There's no best workout program. Working out's working out. Lift weights. If you want to do cardio, go for it. I honestly don't do cardio. I don't do ab workouts. I need to because there's so much benefit to doing it. But your workouts, so with my workout programs, you will engage the core with a lot of the exercises that you'll be doing. But remember, always listen to your body. Don't do anything crazy, strenuous, something random you saw on the internet. Listen to your body. If you guys have injuries, bad knees, bad backs, always talk to a PT. They'll be able to help you out. And at the end of the day, listen to your body, because if it's hurting, I wouldn't continue doing it. But don't kill yourself in the gym. Don't sit in there for hours and hours a day. I'm literally in the gym 20 to 30 minutes. My longest day is arms. So there's no reason to be in the gym 2 to 3 hours unless you're doing like marathon training and stuff like that, or you want to do an hour on the cardio if you want to. But just know, don't stress yourself out if you can't work out. It's okay if you can't work out. I've got women dropping over 100 pounds in less than a year, half paralyzed. I've got women who aren't working out at all, PCOS, Hashimoto's, hypothyroid, dropping body fat just with nutrition, because nutrition is how you lose the body fat. So hit your calories, track your calories, but keep it simple. Eat real food, meat, veggies, nuts, seeds, fruit. If you can work out, do it. If you want to do intermittent fasting for the health benefits, go for it. But at the end of the day, it's 100% on you. It's nothing magical. The people I've gotten amazing results for, they didn't do anything magical. They just changed what they were eating, hit their calories every day. And at the end of the day, you got to figure out your why. No one's forcing you to do this, so don't take it out on other people and why you're not getting results, why you're not making the changes, because now you just got the entire step-by-step plan for free. It's up to you to actually start. So remember your why. Have an amazing freaking day.